Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sushi. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some interesting facts about this iconic Japanese dish. So, let's roll. Sushi, a culinary masterpiece that has captured the hearts and palates of people around the globe. But what exactly is sushi? Well, let's start with fact number 1. Fact number 1, sushi originated in Japan over 1,000 years ago. It was first developed as a way to preserve fish by fermenting it with rice. Over time, sushi evolved into the delicious and diverse dish we know today. Now, let's move on to fact number 2. Contrary to popular belief, sushi doesn't solely consist of raw fish. In fact, the term sushi refers to the vinegared rice used as the base. The fish, known as sashimi, is a separate component often added to sushi. Next up, fact number 3. Creating sushi is an art form that requires precision and skill. Sushi chefs, also known as itamae, undergo years of rigorous training to master the art of sushi making. From perfecting knife techniques to understanding flavor profiles, they strive for culinary perfection. Now, let's move on to fact number 4. Sushi comes in various forms, each with its unique characteristics. Here are a few popular types. Nigiri, hand-pressed sushi with a slice of fish or seafood on top of rice. Maki, sushi rolls with seaweed, nori, wrapped around the rice and filling. Sashimi, slices of raw fish or seafood served without rice. Tamaki, cone-shaped sushi rolls wrapped in nori with a variety of fillings. Moving on to fact number 5. When enjoying sushi, you often find two common accompaniments, wasabi and pickled ginger. Wasabi, the green paste, adds a spicy kick and also has antimicrobial properties. Ginger, on the other hand, acts as a palate cleanser between different types of sushi, enhancing the overall flavor experience. And now, let's explore our final fact. In Japanese culture, there are some essential sushi etiquette rules to follow. For instance, it's customary to dip your sushi fish side down into soy sauce, as dipping rice can cause it to disintegrate. Additionally, eating sushi in one bite is considered polite, allowing you to experience the flavors as intended. Well, there you have it, some intriguing facts about sushi. From its humble beginnings to the artistry behind its creation, sushi truly offers a delightful culinary journey. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about sushi, give us a thumbs up and let us know your favorite type of sushi in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. Until next time, happy sushiing. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.